In today's video, I want to look at how to get Shopify $1 for 3 months. So, are you ready? The first step is to sign up for Shopify. So, click the link in the video description below to get access to this page. So, when get access to this page, you will see where it says Start Free Trial. Then enter your email address and click Start Free Trial. Then enter your password and click Create Shopify Account. This is where we are going to select what you would like to sell. So it says, let's get started. Where would you like to sell? So we have up to 6 options here, whether we are to sell online, online store, or in person at event, social media, or in person at retail store there at existing website or blog or online marketplace. Since you want to create an online store, then select online store, then click Next. In the next page, it asks you which of this page describe you. I'm just starting or I'm already selling online or in person. So just click I'm just starting. So when you click on just starting, it's going to ask you what do you want to sell. So we can select from these options. Select DRP shipping product, then click Get Started. So after clicking Get Started, then select Plan. So which plan do you want to try? So we have 3 options here. We have Basic Plan. We have Shopify Plan. Then we have Advanced Plan. So for this video I will select Basic Plan. This is most popular for solo entrepreneurs. So try Basic. You can choose the payment methods, PayPal or credit card. So, for this video, I'm going to select Pay with PayPal. So you can also select Pay with credit card. Then after selecting, then you click on PayPal. Then this dashboard now you can see you can design your store in 1 second. You can add your custom domain. You can name your store. You can set up your Shopify rate. You can set up your payment provider, then you can place a test order. So this is how to create a Shopify free account, and Shopify 3 months for $1. So this is a Shopify dashboard, you can play around and see how it works. You can continue to customize your store, add your custom domain, name your store, and set up your shipping rate, etc. I hope this video has helped you on how to get a Shopify $1 for 3 months.